Hi, my name is Kana Tanaka. I am the artist behind the suspended glass artwork at Wymer Hall. When I came here, finally, I was so touched that I'm here within this space with this skylight. And the sun comes in and it makes all this special reflection that makes me so excited. And I'm here having a wonderful experience installing this piece, unwrapping it. I like this weather that, it's not always sunny. When there's rain and there's some sun and the rain again. I think that could create many different feelings or visual experiences for people to come here. I'm very thankful that I had the opportunity to bring my work into this special space.